Secrets to mastering 99% of everyday English. 1. Immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English by watching movies, TV shows, listening to podcasts, reading books, and engaging in conversations with native speakers. This exposure will help you absorb the nuances of everyday English, including idioms, slang, and colloquialisms. 2. Build a strong foundation. Develop a solid understanding of English grammar rules and structures. Study essential grammar concepts such as verb tenses, sentence structure, subject-verb agreement, articles, and prepositions. Invest time in studying and practicing these basics, as they form the foundation for fluent communication. 3. Learn idioms and slang. Idioms and slang are an integral part of everyday English. While they may seem confusing initially, understanding and using these expressions will help you sound more natural and fluent. Learn common idioms and slang expressions, and practice incorporating them into your conversations and writing. 4. Build vocabulary. Start by building a robust vocabulary of common words and phrases used in everyday English. Use flashcards, vocabulary lists, and language learning apps to expand your vocabulary systematically. 5. Speaking practice. Practice speaking English regularly to improve fluency and confidence in everyday communication. Engage in conversations with English speakers or language partners. The more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you'll become with everyday English. 6. Reading comprehension. Read a wide range of English texts, including newspapers, articles, blogs, fiction, and non-fiction books. Take notes and highlight key points. 7. Improve listening skills. Improve your listening skills by regularly listening to spoken English in podcasts, audiobooks, movies, TV shows, and conversations. 8. Improve your writing abilities. Practice writing in English by keeping a journal, writing emails, essays, blog posts, or social media posts. 9. Seek feedback and correct mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're opportunities for growth. Identify your weaknesses and work on correcting them. Embrace constructive criticism and use it to improve your everyday English skills. Mastering 99% of everyday English is an achievable goal with dedication, consistent practice, and a willingness to learn. With time and effort, you'll develop the confidence and fluency to communicate effectively in any everyday English situation.